Okay, we got an FXR transmission here, 90 and later style. So he wants to upgrade to a newer style swing arm, 2002 or 1 or something. They have a bigger hole through here. So this is just over 5/8, probably metric size. It goes up to 3/4 inch. So this has to be opened up. So you need to come off a flat surface. I can either come off of this surface right here, or I can come off of this flat surface here. So this is a lot bigger surface. I'm going to come off of this. At least that's what I'm going to try to do. And see what we can come up with here, holding this over here. So, this is the way I can just ream it straight down or drill it straight down, because you want this here to be perpendicular to the surface here. If you hand drill it, you can caulk it a little bit when you're drilling it and not be the best. Alright, got my new tripod right here. See how this works. That works good. Light went off. Alright, so I'm going to take that sucker right there. I'm going to move it over here. Like that. I'm going to take this thing and go like this. And go like that. Let's see how that works. Let's see how the new tripod works. Alright. This I'm going to hang over the side. We have a dowel pin we got to deal with here. Looks like I can probably make do without that. And we got a main shaft sticking down here hitting everything, so that ain't going to work. So we do have to come up a little bit. So that's out. Get our spacer blocks here. Bring them up a little bit. See if we need. Let's see, we need a strap clamp, some bolts, some washers. More than that, maybe. Okay, let's see. We're going to need to do all this. Okay. Now, if the main shaft was in here, it'd be a lot easier. Let's see, I can come up a little bit higher here, like that. Okay, we definitely have a clearance issue. Alright, we got a problem. The main shaft is going to be hitting my sensor here, which is a problem. So to make that work, I'm going to have to get rid of the sensor, I guess. Alright. I'll come out a little bit more. We can try coming out further, might do the trick. Almost enough. Problem is we don't have much support here. Didn't work right. See, the sensor's right here in the way. The main shaft's right here. So I got it hung out only this far on this side, but over here it's out pretty far. We want to be able to push down on this here lip here, not over here. So you keep that block like that. you still got pressure on this edge here, so you got this whole footprint to hold it. Because when you're drilling on this, you're going to have some torque on it. If I go out far enough to clear this block, it's going to be a problem. So I'm pretty sure that's going to have to come off. You're going to have to come out another 3/8 of an inch, and I don't want to do that. Oh well, got to make do. Alright, we're going to use a taller one. Not. Got a bunch of new T-nuts here from the Ultimate purchase. So, got more on my table now than I used to have. Okay. That'd be you. Clamp on this. Very flat. Alright, put lots of clamps on here. So let's see, cut over there. So we have this clamp here is putting pressure on this edge over here. This clamp here is clamping on this edge right here. So this one's holding it down this way. This one here is putting more pressure this way, which contradicts you putting pressure here. You don't want to pivot right here and go like that, so this gives you extra height. So one's pushing here, one's pushing here. We'll do the same thing on this other side. So I'm going to move this one over here where I got to lift that hole in there. And then we'll put this nice long one right here on this one. So, it's all about having adequate clamping so it doesn't move on you while you're putting pressure on it. That'd be a bad thing. Okay. You. Make sure everything's sitting flat. Alright, it's good and tight. Now we got to take off our stop block here. No way of getting around this problem. Okay. American or metric? Who knows? Metric. It's Spanish from Spain, so it's metric. Yeah, look at that, it's metric. What a shocker! I never thought. Okay. Let that drop down. There we go. Quick and simple. That's how you make it work. Where's my quick pull at? There it is. Got used to my new tripod right here. A big heavy duty sucker. Okay, so I dropped this down. So now this is free to go. Oh, that's why it was not wanting to move. Ah. I was trying to break my screw off here. I heard the motor winding when I was doing that. Don't do that, dumbass. Yeah, that's some heavy duty plastic there. Okay, we have a limited range of adjustment there, see? Don't go too far like I did. And see, we're about lined up again almost. And you see now that we're right where the block was, see? So we don't want to lose that. Screw will probably drop down. We're just above the booty here, so we're good. Alright, so now we got to find a reamer that we need to do this. Okay, so I'll be back with some more tools.